Hi friends, a very good morning. I'm Arun Pandey, the Chief Mentor and Co-founder at Yodasys. Today I'm here to discuss the Analytics Factory with you. The Analytics Factory is an online marketplace of analytics experts and more. The Analytics Factory helps you do your analytics projects 10 times faster and at a fraction of your costs. Let's take a deep dive and see what are the features available inside the Analytics Factory.
Just like a traditional factory, the Analytics Factory is a unified platform which provides the assembly line, the tools, and the engineers. Decision Sciences Factory is the assembly line. It helps you complete data sciences projects in seconds. Knowledge Factory consists of the tools you will need to finish an analytics task. And finally, Expert Connects provides you the engineers. This is the core team which created the Analytics Factory. Decision Sciences Factory draws its philosophy from coral reefs. Coral reefs are the largest organic structures, yet they are created by tiny organisms. These organisms are called as reef-building corals. Reef-building corals grow in vast colonies with new polyps appearing as buds on the side of their parents. Coral's essential contribution to the undersea ecosystem takes place only after its death. A coral reef at its death passes its DNA and its skeleton as a foundation to their bud. The coral reef then is a kind of a vast underwater tomb. We carry the coral reef architecture into our product. Each executed algorithm passes on its DNA to the next algorithm. Let's take a deep dive and see all of these features in a live demo. The foundation of all of this is Decision Sciences Factory. In the current use case, we have ingested financial transaction data, and we would like to identify which transaction has the highest probability of being a fraud transaction. Decision Sciences Factory has the capability of ingesting data in any file format and making sense out of it. The first thing which Decision Sciences Factory provides is the capability to view data. This happens just by clicking the preview button. Decision Sciences Factory, or DSF, has the capability to pick up features automatically. These features can be in any kind of data, be it structured or unstructured. DSF also helps you to select values which are unique or identify the unique dataset. Finally, DSF helps you to identify columns which needed to be forecasted. Selecting features is very easy. I, as an end user, select the features by selecting the checkboxes. The next thing which I do is identify and select what's unique about my dataset. And finally, I select what needs to be forecasted and click the submit button. With DSF, you don't need to spend days coding and applying algorithm. DSF automatically provides you with a list of several top algorithms and the option to select one or multiple such algorithms. For example, in this case, I have selected random forest. Once you have selected the algorithms, you just need to click on the radio button and automatically a file is generated at the backend. Once we have produced the data can be analyzed using raw data, or the data can also be analyzed using our product called Jugaad Analytics. DSF also provides the capability of producing workflows which can be scheduled based on events and date time. Now let's see the second great feature of the Analytics Factory, Expert Connect. The first thing you need to do is you have to log in into the site theanalyticsfactory.com. Once you are logged in, you need to go into the Post a Project tab. From there, you need to go Augment Your Team tab. You just need to type the technology and click on the submit button. A list consisting of thousands of experts is shown right there. If I have to summarize today's discussion, I will do it this way. Decision Sciences Factory automates the entire data sciences life cycle. Knowledge Factory provides all the tools and techniques to execute analytics tasks. And finally, Expert Connects provides the engineers the best possible experts within seconds. In a true manner, this is doing analytics really differently. Have a good day. Thank you.